Everyone, and welcome to another HealthX video. Now I just wanted to show you these brand new folding electric wheelchairs we have in stock. These are brilliant. I'll show you the control panel here. You've got speed, you've got a horn, on and off button, and obviously there's your drive in there. These fold to such a small extent they can pretty much fit in any vehicle. They're very lightweight. Wherever this video is posted, if you look below, there'll be either a link to the website where these can be bought, or there'll be some specifications where you can see the weight, speed. As you can see here, front suspension. This one's literally just came out of the box. This is how it will arrive. All you'll need to do is just place this controller into here. These are so handy. You know, sometimes you don't want to carry a full power chair around because it's a lot of equipment. You have to have ramps, you know, sometimes an accessibility vehicle, and these are so handy. I'm going to show you it folded flat now just so you can see how small these fold down to.